Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing card controlling technique which I call the fake card control because it looks like that you are controlling the card but you're not actually controlling the card, but that's the illusion, and you're also doing it with one hand, so you can also call this the one-handed card control. So without any further ado, let's look at the performance. After that, we're going to know how it's done.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, as you can see over here, I actually have a deck of cards and I'm actually going to give them a shuffle just like this. So at this point you can see all these cards present in this deck are different, are also mixed up, right? And I'm going to select a random card. For example, let's look at the top card, which is the Six of Spades, and I'm actually going to take this Six of Spades and I'm actually going to keep it somewhere in the center of the deck. Okay, so the Six of Spades goes inside somewhere in the center of the deck, and I'm actually going to push this card inside with just one hand, and if I snap my finger you can see that card comes to the top, and that's how this card controlling actually looks like. And let's see how you can do this card controlling trick. Okay guys, here's how this trick is done, and it's also kind of very easy because it does not take much sleight of hand, but it only requires is timing. So if you have right timing, then you can actually do this card controlling trick. So you have this deck of cards, you can actually shuffle them and your spectators can also shuffle them, and after that you ask your spectator to select any playing card they want, to take any playing card they want. For example, let's say your spectator selects this card, the Jack of Spades. You're actually going to take this Jack of Spades and you're going to drop it faced up on the top of the deck. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're actually going to take a break under the bottom card and you're actually going to keep that break with your thumb. Okay, and you're going to do that like this. First of all, you're going to hold this deck of cards with the mechanics grip, and then as you come over here to grab this deck like this, you actually go down with your index finger and you actually move all the other fingers out of the way, and then you actually pinch this corner of the card down, and for that reason this corner actually buckles up a little bit, creating a space, and then you actually get that break with your thumb. You actually keep that break with your thumb that you just put over here. So that's how you actually take that break. Now you can also take that break by just riffling down one card just like this, one. So and after that you're going to just maintain that break, and it's up to you whatever way you are going to select this. So after that you actually keep this break and then you do the swing cut with almost half of the deck. Okay, and you are still with the break. So you did the swing cut and right now you have the Jack faced up, then you put this card face down, then you again turn it faced up, and then you again, when you are going to turn it face down, you're also going to drop this card at the same time, and it would look like that this card has just turned over, but in actual reality you have actually dropped this card on back of it, and that is what I was actually talking about, the timing. So you need to have the correct timing in order to replace that card, the spectator selected card, with the bottom card. So the spectator selection is right now in the second position. So you have this card on the top and the spectators are going to think that this is their card, and you are actually going to put it on the top of this packet just like this, and your spectator's card is actually here, and you are actually going to put this packet on top of all of this, and then you can push this card with the help of your index finger, and you can just snap your fingers to show it as a control just like this, or you can use this control for any magic purposes, for where you need to control a playing card to the top of the deck. You can just do that, and that's how this is actually done. Now to make it simple and more understandable, I'm going to use a different colored card, among all these blue cards, and I'm actually going to keep that card on the bottom of the deck, which is the card that is going to replace the card that the spectator selects, and you're going to understand that. So here's how this is done. This, let's suppose say this is the card that the spectator selects at this point. You're going to put that face up on the top of the deck, take a break under that card. Which I have actually replaced with a red card. I have actually taken that break with the thumb. Then I'm going to give it a swing cut. I turn over this card as 1, again as 1, and now this time I actually drop that card too. So that's all about timing. So as you do like this, if this card was actually a blue card, then it won't be visible that you actually dropped this card on back of it, because the backs are same. But I've actually replaced the blue card with a red card so that you can know that I'm actually dropping it at which time. Okay, so here's once more. You have the 6 of hearts faced up. You just do like this, first time, second time, and the third time, just like this. So you actually drop that bottom card on top of it, but the spectators are going to think that this is their selection. You're going to keep it over here just like this. You're going to put it inside, and then you can just snap your finger to bring it back to the top, and that's how this card controlling actually works. So that's it. Hope you like this video. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card controlling technique. Make sure you hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile @Astral_Azari, and if you have any questions, don't forget to use the comment section for that. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!